A police investigator who looked into the murder of former Upper East Regional Chairman of the NPP, Chief Inspector Augustine Nkrumah, has told an Accra High Court the police CID did not conduct its own investigations. He said they relied on investigations done by the Bolgatanga police. Detective Chief Inspector Nkrumah from the homicide unit of the CID is the 14th prosecution witness of the state against Gregory Afoko, who has been charged with the murder. There's more in the following report.
Chief Inspector Nkrumah explained that the CID team from Accra focused on what the Bolgatanga police reported in relation to the allegation that Mr. Mahama mentioned Gregory and Alangdi Asabke, who is on the run, as those who poured the acid on him. Narrating the investigation report, he said the headquarters team received the information from the Bolgatanga police, who also assisted them in contacting some of the witnesses. According to him, the witness confirmed that Mr. Mahama actually mentioned the two as those who poured the acid on him. Questioned whether when he got to the mortuary he had the opportunity to examine the whole body of Mr. Mahama, he answered in the affirmative, saying per his observations he saw some burns on the face and upper part of the body but did not observe his feet. He said the shoes of the deceased were soaked with acid, which he tendered in his evidence in chief. He told the court that the said shoes, he was told, was handed over to the police by the wife of Mr. Mahama, Haja Zuwera Adams, and it was impossible to conduct a test to ascertain whether they were his shoes or not. The defense counsel asked whether the witness knew one Musa, who was initially charged with the accused person Gregory at the lower court for the same offense, but he said he only got to know him when the case was referred to him. He said when the case was referred to him, the police told him that there was information that on May 19, 2015, the said Musa had gone round the Bolgatanga township to buy acid, but the information turned out to be false after his investigations. Earlier, the defense counsel sought to tender the medical report on the accused person through the witness, but it was objected by prosecution on the basis that the medical report was issued and signed by a medical officer, Dr. Albert Pencil, and should be the only one to tender same and answer questions thereon. The court later ruled that the medical report required a medical expert to answer questions in that respect. The case was then adjourned to October 22 and 23 for continuation of cross-examination by the defense counsel. The prosecution has so far called 14 witnesses to make their case. Afoko, a farmer, is alleged to have killed Mr. Mahama on May 20, 2015 and is being held on the charges of conspiracy to commit crime, to wit murder and murder. He has pleaded not guilty before a 7-member jury.